Hi folks, today I'm going to talk about jQuery, and if you're wondering what jQuery is, it's a really powerful library similar to JavaScript. If you have ever written code in JavaScript, you're going to love this because JavaScript in the JavaScript you have to write a lot of code to achieve simple things like finding a control, finding an HTML element on a page, and putting validations and so on. But with the JavaScript, it's designed so that it makes all those tasks much easier for you. JavaScript is fast and concise, and it simplifies the HTML documentation. And with this, you can do a lot of stuff. For example, you can select any element very easily on the page, and you can fire events and bind events to user response, and you can also change the CSS properties and attributes of elements without having to write a lot of code. It just is, as a matter of fact, just in one line you can just find an element and change its properties and manipulate the CSS. And plus it also support most of many of the Ajax functions, etc., to help you make calls to the web services, etc. And so now you might be wondering where to get it and how to download it. So let me show you actually um, where to get is simply type jQuery.com. You will be taken to the website, and once you go there you will see a link to download. So if you want to download, you might want to click here, and then there's some documentation, and then here's where you want to download this one. This is the stable release of the jQuery version 1.3.2, and it's also available in a minified or compressed version, which is smaller in size. The good thing about it is it's very simple and it's very lightweight, and you can just see that after you download it's just few KBs, less than 100 KB in size. Alright, so now how do you use it? So let's go to this section, selectors, and let's see uh, how you can select an HTML element um, with a given ID. So this $sign is what is called the jQuery selector, and this is used to select any element, any HTML element on a page. So all you have to do is simply define an element with an ID, and then with the pound sign you can just find that element using the jQuery finder, and then here is where we're setting the properties. And similarly we got few more selectors, which is the element. You just define the name of the element like this, or you can use any element type like P or H1, H2, H3, any HTML element. You can just find that element, and then after that you can manipulate the properties of the element.